Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube vlog. So today is a very special day because we will have our first date. Aww. And then after this, let's have the Jowa reveal. I'll see you around, just fix my face and let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube vlog. Today's very special day because we'll be having a date. After the Jowa reveal. This is the Jowa reveal.
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Okay. Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan yun? Special participation ng Balikbayan Box.
Okay. So, bahala na kung saan pupunta because we'll be having the best control here sa bahay. So, yun. Bye. Bye guys. Papakita na lang namin date namin sa today sa inyo. Watch out. Laban. Hi babe. Sa taxi namin guys. So, it's like 20 minutes bago makapunta sa Global Village. So yun, let's go.
Excited ka ba?
Hi guys, welcome back. So nasa destination na kami, nasa Global Village na kami. Global Village. So kung ano yung nasa loob, let's find out soon kung anong mga nasa loob, kung ano yung offer ng Global Village para sa amin. Hi babe. Let's go. I'll show it to you later. Bye. So we have the ticket now guys. Pasok na kami. So it's 15 dirhams each ticket. So Philippine peso, magkano yan? Philippine money 15 multiply by 13 pesos. So it's around 200 pesos guys. So tingnan natin kung yung nasa loob ng Global Village. Sa first date. Aww. First date namin guys. Actually. So let's go. May naliligaw na bata. Pogi! Pogi oh. So guys, Global Village is a must visit place here in UAE. Kasi it houses all the places, different places. Like we have Turkey here. And we also passed to Thailand. And we also have Iran here. That's Iran. So it's nice. So let's visit more. Let's tour more. Let's see more kung anong meron dito. So may Yemen din pala. Hi guys, welcome. So they also have Turkey over there, Pakistan, Yemen, Iran. So parang isang lugar na pinagsama-sama na ang lahat ng bansa. Tingnan natin yung Philippines, kung nandito yung Philippines. Sana. They also have Egypt there. Jordan. Ay, meron din palang Jordan tsaka Palestine. So let's go guys, tara. Maraming lugar dito nga sabi ko sa inyo, guys, sa Global Village. So isang tanong, saan tayo papakasal, babe?
Paris.
Ay, Paris. Paris.
Question, may budget ka? May budget ba?
Wala pa tayong budget. So kailangan po natin mag-vlog, trabaho para magkaroon ng maraming pera. Thank you. We want money, brother. You have? Dapat kasi na-record ko yun. Saan tayo pumunta ulit?
Ferris wheel.
Saan?
Ferris wheel.
Uy, ang galing. Kanina Ferris wheel. Aray! Aray! So, saan tayo pupunta for the last time?
Check.
Saan nga? Ferris?
Uuwi na tayo.
Ferris wheel, guys. Because we open Ferris wheel now. Kaya pupunta kami sa Ferris wheel. Bye!
Few moments later.
Guys, we did our best. Pero hindi namin talaga makita ang Pilipinas. Kaya kakain na lang kaming manggang kalabaw ng Pilipinas. Saring lang.
No, this is mango from Thailand.
English. Ano ulit?
Mangga galing Thailand, okay na ba?
Guys, hanggang ngayon hindi pa namin makita yung Pilipinas actually. Bakit kaya? Wala talaga ang Pilipinas.
Walang budget.
We have Cambodia, Vietnam. Feeling ko naka-squammy yung Pilipinas. Squammy type yung Pilipinas. Hindi, joke lang. May Thailand ni. Thailand. Feeling ko dito kasi Asia to. It's nice. Ano to? Ano yun? Best in costume. Charing.
Turkish coffee.
Akala costume. Tanong natin kung ano yun. Gusto mo tikman? Try natin. Ayaw niya.
Coffee in the Philippines. Let's try.
No Philippines now, brother, here? Oh my God.
Wala nga.
Nakakalungkot naman. Walang Pilipinas.
Other country, visit the other country.
Last year, Philippines is here, right?
This year.
Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. So, unfortunately, walang Pilipinas. So, I think kasi, di ba last year, right after Africa, Pilipinas. So, ngayon walang Pilipinas. How does it feel, babe, na walang Pilipinas na dito?
No, I think it's much better.
Ha?
Kasi last year, nakakahiya siya. Kasi parang, hindi na necessarily nakakahiya. Pero, alam mo yon, lahat ng mga, kahit na maliliit na bansa like Cambodia, they have their own building. Last year, we don't have our own building.
Talaga? Nakakalungkot naman.
Kasi kung walang budget, edi wag na lang. Kaysa, alam mo yun, parang nagmumukhang pulugo. I think it was here.
Honestly guys, nakakalungkot kasi 'di ba kahit na ano maliit lang yung building natin at nandito pa rin ang Pilipinas kasi 'di ba ang dami na rin naman mga OFW na kabayan dito, babe.
Yeah, walang convey, wala tayong maliit na building, wala talaga tayong building. Alam mo yun?
Hindi kasi may nakita dun sa picture na sinend sa akin ng isa sa mga estudyante ko. Merong building tapos may Philippine flag pa.
Kinabit lang nila ng Philippine flag. Hindi mo makikita ka talaga ng mga Egypt, India. Alam mo yun, ang laki. Sa atin wala. Imagine mo Cambodia. They
Pero
have
ano
their own
kayang-
building.
Ano kayang reason bakit kaya tinanggal nila yung Philippines dito, no? Ano kayang reason nila? So guys, anong reason, babe?
I don't know.
Bye-bye guys, laban. Hi guys, welcome back. So yun, so we had a very meaningful and enjoyable day. So kailangan na namin umuwi. Thank you, babe.
Thank you.
I love you. So thank you guys. So watch out for more videos. Together. Bye-bye guys. Kakalungkot, walang Pilipinas. Hindi ako makapag-move on. Pero bye guys. God bless everyone.